want to help you all away the country from him help the country, help everybody, both PMP and JLP.
I think you're saying it perfectly right.
No, sir. You know that I never had any. Hold on, I never had any ID when I went to vote. I haven't had an ID now for maybe 10 years, or maybe 15.
Yeah,
I don't have a national. I don't have a national ID.
The thing about it is that me not in a constituency where more than normally vote, because me actually come from Mobi and right now me there Spanish town.
Okay, so you would have to travel to Mobi. Anyway, success. You must come again. You hear, sir?
Absolutely.
Yeah, man, really love the reasoning, man.
You must
yeah,
come
man.
again.
Yeah, man.
Like. And let me tell the listeners. You see, the nature of the politics. The elections are over now. We can talk a little bit more. The nature of the politics that we practice in Jamaica weds the people to behave a particular way, and it is deliberate. There are a lot of people in Jamaica that are wedded. It's an unbiblical link to the politics. It's tribalism. It's patronage based. It's clientistic. And that's part of the problem we have. That is why the country is so divided politically. And that is why the tribes are perpetually at war. Because they need to get their nose or their mouth in the trough. We have to change that. When my party is in power, the other side feels that somehow they are isolated. And to the credit of Wholeness, and many people have criticized him for this, is he balances the scale.